please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole, and welcome to DoDreamOn if you're new, and if you already a dreamer, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. Today I'm so excited. I'm going to be doing a Tumbler Press video, Sublimation. I am an affiliate with Heat Press Nation, and I am so excited. So that is our Heat Press Nation. Is going to be the tumbler press we are going to be doing today. So I am so excited to show you how it turned out. Shout out to Heat Press Nation. That is actually where I get that's actually where I have my tumbler press, my mug press, as well as my 16 by 24 heat press. And I'm gonna show y'all that real quick, but it's through Heat Press Nation, and I'm an affiliate with them. I will leave my link down below. As an affiliate, you know, I do get a small percentage of whatever you purchase, so make sure you use my links down below. Yeah, let's look at the tumblers, and also the images on the tumblers are on my Etsy shop now. Y'all know my clip art dropped on my birthday, right? So this is, look at this. Look how good the tumbler press did. Look at it. See, look at that. Look at this. Look at the bottom. Y'all, we did that, okay? And I'm gonna show you the Halloween one. Look at this. Do not play. Heat Press Nation's signature, the tumbler press extension is the bomb. Do not play with it. Just look at it though. Like, look how good it is. I was beyond happy. And look, Halloween. I was beyond happy with it. So let me just show you how I made these two full wrap tumblers, and I went down further on this one purposely. Yeah, so let's get into the video. Let me show you how I did it. Let's go. And you can go to DoDreamOn Etsy and check out my clip art, y'all. This is not all of it, but this is a few, so check it out. And these are the ones that I'm doing today. So you guys can go and shop this now. Everybody go ahead, y'all. DoDreamOn Etsy. Help a sister out and go get y'all some cute clip art. Anywho, so now let's go ahead and let's see how this goes. Okay, because I know people are going to ask, this image is 8.4 by 9.355. And then this image is 8.3 by 9.330. Okay, so these are the images, the width and the height that I use for these two images. Okay. Okay, so this is the Heat Press Nation Signature Series Automated Sublimation Heat Transfer Mug Press. This is the mug press that I have, okay? You can check out my link below as I stated. And then for our tumbler attachment, it is a pre-order. So it's the pre-order Heat Press Nation Signature Series Mug and Tumbler Press Skinny Tumbler Attachment. Okay. This is a pre-order. They're expecting to ship in early November. So just make sure you know that. Okay. And then this is the Heat Press Nation Signature Series 16 by 24 slide out drawer. This is the heat press that I have. All right. So I just wanted to show you exactly the items that I have and that I'm going to be using specifically today. Is just this mug press with the attachment. All right. But this is, the people ask me all the time what heat press I have, and this is it. And then people ask me about my mug press, and then my tumbler press attachment. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So here I'm going to be showing you how I am replacing the mug press attachment with the tumbler press attachment. It's not that hard, but you do have to play around with it, change it a little bit to make sure that it's going to fit in there. See, I had to play around with it to make sure that it's going to fit in there properly. Because it doesn't completely wrap around, you will have to twist and turn it over, okay? So if anybody knows me, y'all know tumblers be something, right? So let's try this out. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's at 365 at 70 seconds. And I'm going to put the 20-ounce tumbler in. I showed you how I wrapped it. Previous videos, I've showed that multiple times. I am going to go ahead and slide it in. Oh, you see the seam? I'm not putting the seam in the opening. I'm going to put it this way. I'm going to slide it in. It's like medium pressure. I'm so nervous, y'all. I want this to turn out so good. And we're going to do the first time, medium pressure. 70 seconds, and then we're going to leave it in and just rotate it. The moment of truth, y'all, the moment of truth. Now, I do want to let you know why I have these heat gloves, because this is extremely hot. It's no handle like a mug, so I literally have to turn it, and you want to make sure that you're safe. So that's why you use heat-resistant gloves. Okay, I got these from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. Okay, so I'm going to open it up, and I'm just going to rotate it. Ooh, I see it coming through. 70 more seconds. All right, this is the second time. I'm going to take it out, and if you see, you can see it through here. That's always a good sign. We're going to let it cool off on this mat here, and then we're gonna do the reveal. Give me a couple seconds. I'm gonna let it cool off for a couple minutes. Actually, you know what? Let's just do it. You know what? Let's just do it. I'm so nervous. All right. I let it cool for a couple seconds. Ooh, this look like I can see the orange coming through. Make sure it's in the camera. Uh-oh, come through. Heat. Press Nation. Hold up. When you do this, if you use this, be careful, because you don't want to scrape the sublimation coating. But I'm so impatient. I want to see it so bad. Like, the suspense is too much. So let's see. Because y'all know the main thing, you got to be very careful. I don't want to scrape nothing off. Ooh, be careful, Shani. Okay. It's still kind of hot. Okay, so if you've done sublimation before, you know sometimes it's a little, oh baby, they got it. They got it, y'all. Look how good it is. Oh, oh yes, this is it. This is it. It's perfect. It's no light spots. Okay, let me clean it off because it's like kind of dusty. But, oh, look how cute this is. I'm so happy. Heat Press Nation, y'all did it. Oh, so I'm taking just some wipes and I'm going to wipe it off. You guys, I've been waiting for an actual tumbler press. So you see that? You see how it's coming right off? Let me see these colors because this is my first time sublimating this image. And this is my clip art, so I want to review it too. Okay. I see the colors there. Okay. It's like, look at the colors. Look at the seam. Ooh, I did it. Oh, we did it. Look at that. Buh. It's all the way over. So good. It's so good, y'all. Okay. I love it. I'm so happy with it. Because look at the bottom. Oh, they did it. We figured it out. We finally got something that worked. Oh, thank goodness. Oh, it's on and popping. It went all the way around. Everywhere. Everywhere is good. Yay. I love it. Okay. We did it. Can y'all see that? It got it good. I'm so happy with it. All right, y'all. Okay, so this time I did not want to put tape on the bottom. And this is the image that's just slightly longer than the first image. This one is the 8.4 in height. So what I did was I wanted to see if we had to tape the bottom with the full press just to see how it will go. Okay, y'all, I'm so nervous. I'm so excited, but I'm so nervous because I do not know how this is going to do. Because in order for it to be like a full bleed, you see, I didn't even tape this down. So I don't know if it's going to be a full bleed or not. Oh, oh, it did it. Wait, I got to see how the bottom did. It did the top. Oh, and it's sparkle. What's this down here? Okay. Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. The bottom. Oh, okay. It didn't work all the way. Only a little bit. The bottom is not that messed up. But look at this one. It's perfect. This could be a little better. And it might be because of the black. But I may have, and it's blue. It's not that bad though. This heat press is the bomb. Look at the top. Oh my goodness. Look how good that is. My seam overlap just a little bit. It ain't too bad. But look at this. So it can be done on this particular tumbler. And you set it down. You can't see that. Oh, wait. You set it down. You can't see that. This just look a little bit. But, ooh, it's so good. I'm so happy. We did it. Ooh, and this glows in the dark. So I'm going to see how this, no, it doesn't glow in the dark. It changes with the sunlight. So I'm going to see, it's rainy and dark outside, but I'm going to see how it go. But look at this. I'm so happy. Heat Press Nation. Oh, y'all the bomb. Yes, yes. Look how good that look. So just imagine if I would like just put something around there so it could have got it. But it did it on this. Oh, they look so good. They look so good. I'm so happy. Yay! Yeah, you put that down, you can't even see it. You put that down, you can't even really see it. I do want you to know that I did sublimate on 2 different tumblers. This orange one is taller, the Halloween one, and this one is shorter, and this one is like a UV. When you go outside, it's supposed to change. I do want you to know that this exact design is not the one that's on Etsy. I removed the lips with the cherry, so please pay attention because it's a couple things that are different with the Dreamer one on Etsy. It's a little more family friendly. I may sell the other one on my website, I'm not sure, but this one turned out perfect. I absolutely love the Halloween. So make sure before you purchase it on Etsy, you pay attention to the details. I just want to get a little bit closer on this one I wanted to isolate it so you can see it all by itself. Absolutely love it. Love, love, love it. This is the exact one that is on my Etsy. Like I said, this one is a little bit different. I removed that lips and cherries. I added a crown, removed a couple other little things. So make sure you pay attention to the design so that you can get the one that you want. Okay? So yeah, and that's a wrap. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have not already, please join our Facebook group, Queen Dreamer. We love it over there. Please let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Holla at your girl. Please make sure you follow me on TikTok. DoDreamOn is the handle. And Instagram, DoDreamOn is the handle. Please make sure you check out my Etsy shop. DoDreamOn is the shop. And the Halloween one is the same. I have a couple more Halloween ones that are a little bit different. Other things, but the Dreamer one is different. It has a crown and it's a little different. So please be advised of that. But check me out. Anywho, I love y'all. Did y'all know that? I think y'all knew that. Anywho, y'all be safe out there. You hear? Bye. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.